we go to strategies, what we see here is again, these are predominantly price momentum, relative strength. Some of them have fundamentals, some of them use sentiment, but for the most part, it's price and relative strength. We break them out in terms of sort of these categories. So you can see like index-based strategies. You can also see sectors. So let's just kind of take a look at sectors. And again, what we can see in here is this will give us a general sense of what sectors are leading the market, right? That means what sectors are outperforming the broad market. In this case, it's the S&P 500. And what we can see here is on buy signals right now, we have consumer discretionary, healthcare, utilities, real estate, staples, and industrials and financials. So, we've got a good amount of sectors that are on buy signals. When a sector is not on a buy signal, then we just allocate to the S&P 500, which you can see down here.